is Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a milk carton. So not only are you going to use the milk carton, you're also recycling it and you're putting it in nature for the birds to have something to do with it. So first, you need a milk carton like this. You can also use juice boxes if you have little juice boxes that are cardboard. You're going to need some string. Any kind of string or ribbon you have. Some paints. Acrylic paints work best, but you can also use the regular tempera paints. Some paint brushes. Some scissors. A hole puncher or a screwdriver. If you don't have a hole puncher, that works as well. Some scissors and a box cutter. That works the best. So all you can do is cut out the sides of the box, or you can even do circles, you can do windows, you can do doors, you can do it however you want. So you're going to cut it out first, and after you're done cutting it, you can paint it. So all you're going to do, this is probably good for a parent to do, and you're just going to cut it down, leave a little bit on the side and a little bit on the bottom, maybe ½ inch on the bottom. And then I usually use the scissors after I do a little bit like that. It's kind of easier and faster sometimes. So then you just cut it up. And there's a hole. Make sure it's dry inside. You can dry it. I'll do a little window here for you guys to see. Now I'm going to use the scissors again. So you can tell your mom and dad how you want it, or maybe they have some good ideas of what you can do with it. Cut it this one you're going to cut pretty close to the edge because you're going to fold it up like a little doors or something. And there you have some doors. So you're going to do all 4 sides. Let me do another side for you. This side I'm just going to cut regular. Use the scissors again, because scissors are much safer than using the box cutter. The other side. And the other side. And this side, let's say we want to do like a circle on this side. You could just cut around it and use your scissors and make like an oval or whatever shape you want to make for this side. Kind of an oval. We have a lot of little birds outside. I think you could probably hear them too. And then once you're all done cutting your box however you want, you get to start painting it. So just paint it any colors. You can do rainbow, you could do designs on it. You can paint it however you want. And then you're going to add bird seed to the bottom. So you'll do a hole punch like this. And if the hole punch doesn't work, you can also use a nail. My hole punch doesn't really work very well. But you can just cut a little hole in the middle right here. Middle, and string it up. And then the last thing you're going to need is some bird food. Bird food for this, because how are we going to feed the birds without bird food? So I'm going to show you one that's already done that I made earlier today. Here's my box, my bird feeder. It's already painted. I put some little doors in. If you want, you can also put like a little stick right here sticking out so they can stand on it on any of the sides. And then you're just going to get maybe however much bird feed will fit in there. And pour it inside. And there's your homemade bird feeder made out of recycled materials. Can you see the bird feed in there? Right inside. I'm gonna add a little more. And then I'm gonna go find a nice tree to hang this on. Just like this, just hang it right up on a branch. It's pretty sturdy. And that's how you make a homemade bead birder using stuff that you might have at home and recycled stuff. It's good because we're recycling. And you know, Earth Day is coming, so this is a good project to do to help save our Earth, right? Instead of throwing it in the trash or you can also throw this in recycling, but this is something fun you can do at home with your mom and dad or brothers and sisters if you have brothers and sisters at home. And that is how to make a bird feeder. Thanks for watching. Bye.